Hello and welcome to this new class in which you will learn how to create a PowerPoint presentation using AI in 1 minute or less. You won't have to write much, just few sentences and one click. I'm sure that after this lesson you will create a lot of PowerPoints on daily basis without any pain. Thank you, let's hop in. All what you need to do is simply go to your browser, write gamma with double M dot app, or you can send me a message for the link. Hit enter once you write this domain. As you can see, this is powered by AI. What you'll need to do is to use the free version. Click sign up for free on the top right corner, and once you sign up, you will be redirected to this page. All what you need to do now is use continue with Google, which is the best option I prefer for signing up because I keep forgetting my passwords, or you can enter your email and create an account. I will continue with my Google account, which is the easiest way to sign up anywhere. Once you sign up with your Google account, you don't have to write any passwords. It will be directly linked to your account. Now, after that, you can create new AI. Now, since I already have an account here, I will show you the user interface. So I need to sign out and create a new account. I'll click continue with Google and I'll use another account. So this is a new account under my other email, and we will see the user interface with each other. We'll create our very first AI PowerPoint presentation. As you can see, you can create team or company if you have, but I will choose personal and it will automatically name the workspace with your Gmail account name. Click create workspace. Now it will ask you a few questions. I will need it for, let's say, work, and here it will ask you what kind of work do you do. I do education, and you'll just have to answer this quick survey. It's nothing. Now, as you can see, we have three options. Create with AI. Either paste in text or generate or import a file. Now you can paste a text and it will create a PowerPoint presentation based on your text. If you have a Word file that you want to turn into a PowerPoint presentation, it will be turned in a snap. The other option is generate, which is using AI and which is the one that we will be using now. Or you can simply import a file, a text file, or a document that you want to turn into a PowerPoint. It will make your life way much easier. Now click on generate because I promised you to create a one PowerPoint in 1 minute or less. Now, once you choose presentation, describe what you would like to make. So let's say that I want to make a presentation about AI. The revolution of AI. Let's correct this word. And how it impact our lives. Okay, that sounds like an interesting title to make a PowerPoint about. You can type anything you want to make a PowerPoint about. Now here you can choose the number of cards that you want. Up to 10 cards is for free, which is more than enough. So let's pick 10 cards and click generate outline. It will start doing the magic. It will first create the outline for your presentation, the titles for these 10 slides. After that, as you can see, it will ask you the amount of text per card. Do you want it to be brief, medium, or detailed? Leave it to brief. And the image source. Do you want to create AI images or you want to use web search? Let's create AI images. And after you are done, simply hit continue. And behold, the magic happens. As you can see, it will ask you to pick one of the themes that you want the PowerPoint to look. I will choose this theme, it looks nice, or you can choose any other theme. Now let's go with this one. I like it, and click generate. Now once you click generate, you just sit back and wait. It will be a breeze. In less than a minute, you'll have a 10 slides PowerPoint website. Okay, you can simply click here and you can share the presenter view, or you can view it in full screen, or if you want you can share it, as you can see here, with anyone or with the words using a link, or you can export it. And here's the magic: you can export it to PowerPoint so that you can edit it inside Microsoft PowerPoint, or you can export it to PDF. So these are all the options that I promised. From now on, you'll start making PowerPoint presentations, and you can start a freelancing career creating PowerPoint presentations for people on Fiverr or Upwork using this amazing website. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to rate it. This is Ashraf. I'll see you in another one.